have no idea what this angle is, but I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, so I figured I would do a makeup tutorial. I haven't filmed a video in like 2 months, probably longer than that actually. But a lot of has happened from that last 2 months. I'm just gonna pretend you're my therapist. I actually have a therapist. I'm supposed to see her tomorrow. But you know what? Let's just tell the internet because I don't give a fuck. So a couple months ago, I actually tried to Hannah Baker myself, if you know what I'm saying. And then I ended up in a mental hospital. So that was fun.
Wait.
I'm on 3 new medications now, and yeah, so that's why I haven't been filming. I had a lot of tea happen between my life. My boyfriend cheated on me. He's in jail now for hitting his ex-girlfriend. It wasn't me, it was a different girl. Anywho, nobody cares. People just clicked here for the makeup, but this is my channel, so I get to talk about what I want to talk about.
Nobody asked.
So yeah, let's get started. I did my eyebrows. They look like shit, but it's okay. I actually like this eyebrow more than the other because it looks more full and more Instagram baddie-like. But I'm here for a good time, not a long time. I'm not a smoker. I'm just sick. I'm sick of people's bullshit. So let's get our hair out of the way and actually do our makeup. I'm using the Stay Naked Quicke 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. Who wears the makeup for 24 hours? Come on, girl. Your face is gonna be f***ed up. So I'm not even gonna bother doing foundation. I'm just gonna use concealer and just doing a lot of dots everywhere. Mainly because I don't know what I'm doing. And this feels like I'm doing something. If I really have to fix it, then I will. And this is you can use this as a blender, which... Girl, you see that? Who's blending their concealer using this thing? Me, apparently. Let me grab a beauty blender and try to fix this because ain't nobody using this crusty ass brush. You see this? That's not even blending. This is a scam. The concealer itself is good, but don't use the brush. So that concealer is actually pretty full coverage because I have a lot on. I added a little bit more than what I originally had, and it looks pretty okay. It looks cakey, but I'm a cakey. I'm okay with that, and it also looks a little bit pale, but I do have a contour stick, so I think I'm okay with it. Yeah, so let me go out and get out my contour. So I have 2 sticks. One is a blush, and then the other is a contour stick. So I have it. It's in SheGlam, and the color is Birthday Suit. This is what it looks like, and I think it's kind of cute. It's actually a blush, but we love a girl that uses blush for contour, because who cares? Okay, I fucked up by my contour. I don't know why I put it so low, but you know what? I'm just gonna take a brush and try to blend this out. Let's grab a powder puff and try to like rub it. That's gonna make it worse, Catie. Okay, whatever.
A few moments later.
Okay, you know what? Rubbing it in is doing something. Do I know if that's good or bad? No. Thankfully, I still have some powder. Thankfully, I have powder from my last makeup tutorial where I look like a hoe, but a cute hoe, so it's okay. Ah, why is there a hair? What? Come on, Catie, fix this. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. Okay, so what if I add blush on top? So I put blush right next to it. If you're wondering, half of my brushes are from Morphe. Not because I'm sponsored, because I only have 10 subscribers and ain't nobody gonna sponsor me, but because it's the cheapest makeup. I mean, Wet n Wild is actually the cheapest makeup brushes. But, I don't know, I just feel like a baddie when I use Morphe, even though their products are kind of shit. We're going somewhere. Since I want to be a future makeup artist, I'm just gonna do different contours. after I cry about it first. But you know what? It's really not that bad. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Let's just talk about how sometimes it's okay to feel like a bad bitch and a sad bitch. Because it only means that we're normal. Sometimes we listen to our thoughts that aren't true. And then we just decide to be sad bitch. But I learned that even if your man cheats on you or your girl, always gotta remember that it's never your fault. And it's your partner's fault for getting out of line and thinking that they're the one that's in the right for deciding to be stupid and decide to cheat. But it's also like play stupid games, win stupid prizes. And he did more than cheat. Okay, this ain't blending. Actually, it looks kind of pretty in a weird way because you can still see the line. Who is she? We gotta get that big forehead too. And then surprise, have some blush. I don't even know if this is the same spot that I put it on. I don't remember. And I can't find my blush brush, so I'm just using this random brush. It's called like a fluffy blending. And then more of this, trying to make it blend better. So I'm using Vertex Beauty tape. I love Vertex Beauty. Hashtag not sponsor. And then I'm taking some eyeliner. It's from Flower Beauty. And I'm gonna try to make the most prettiest wing you've ever seen in your life. Look at that triangle, so beautiful. I'm gonna be honest, this eyeliner kind of burns my eyes. It's probably why you can't find this eyeliner anywhere, because I can't find this at all. Maybe it's like outdated, that's probably why it burns. But do I care? No, not really. Okay, so next I'm using some of this manga lashes. I got these off of Amazon. I've never had these before. And I'm also using the Kiss glue. I only like this glue and this tube specifically, only because it's the only glue that doesn't burn me, or it actually makes my lashes stay on all day. I've tried every single eyelash glue out there, and none of them are just as good as this. I'm just saying it because it's good. So these lashes look kind of Halloween-like. I don't know if these are gonna be good or not. Honestly, these lashes are so subtle, I don't think anybody's gonna pay attention if these lashes look bad. So I got the lashes on. Not very good, but they're on. And finally, let's move on to the lips. So the lip liner I'm using is the Nova Beauty. It's in Brown 02. And then I have a lipstick from Nova Beauty as well, and it's in Pleasure. I'm gonna use the lipstick first because it's lighter than the lip liner. And if I use the lip liner, it's not gonna match and look good. And this is how my makeup looks. This is supposed to be like baddie themed, even though I don't look like a baddie. My makeup did not look how I planned it at all, but it is what it is. Anywho, if you liked the video, please let me know down below. Like or subscribe, or if you didn't like it, feel free to dislike it and leave me a bad comment so that way the video goes in the algorithm. I can't even say it. Anywho, my TikTok is Catie MUA. My Instagram is katie.elizabeth with 2 H's. And yeah, that's about it. Bye!